Long division, another topic for your GCSE maths exam. So, when we use long division then, this is for questions that we may not be able to do in our head. It's for larger numbers or even using decimals to divide. You may know what 300 divided by 6 is, but it may be one of those things that you have to work out how many multiples there are of 6 into 300, which may take you a little bit longer. So we use something called long division, or the bus stop method. So the number that we are dividing, so the 300 goes on the inside of our bus stop and the 6 on the outside. So what I'm starting to do now is I'm looking at how many 6s go into 3. Well, I don't have any 6s in 3, because if you think of your 6 times table down the side, well, 3 is simply not in the 6 times table. So because there aren't any 3s, I'm going to carry 3 to my next number. So that number becomes 30. 6s in 30 then, if I was to carry on, I have 5 6s in 30. Nothing left over as it goes straight up to 30. And then 6s in 0 is just nothing. So your answer to 300 divided by 6 is 50. Moving on then to 150, again that goes inside the bus stop, divided by 4. Well, 4's into 1, there are none. Again, if you think of your 4 times table, if I just write a few of them for you, there's no 1s. 1 is not in the 4 times table. 4's into 5 then, because I need to carry my 1, so 4's into 15. I've got 4, 8, 12. I can go up to 12, so I have 3 4's in 15, and left over from 12 to 15 is 13, 14, 15, which is 3 left over. 4's into 30 then is 7, and I have 2 left over. Now I don't just put at this point remainder 2. If I think of the number 150, I can carry that on with zeros. So my 2 carries on onto this 0 after the decimal, becoming the number 20. 4's into 20 then is 5. So my answer to this question is 37.5. I've then got 245.5 divided by 2. 2's into 2 is 1. 2's into 4 is 2. 2's into 5 then, I go 2, 4. I can fit 2 in and I have 1 left over. 2's into 15 is 7 and I have 1 left over. 2's into 10 is 5. So my answer to this one is 122.75. I've then got the number 468.8 divided by 5. It's up to you if you want to add the zeros to start with so you don't get confused. You might not know how many zeros, but you can add as many as you like. So when we think of our 5 times table then, there are no 4's in the 5 times table. So I have none there, and I carry my 4. My number's now 46. There are 9 5's in 46, because I can get all the way up to 45, and I have 1 left over. 5's into 18 then, I can fit 3, 5, 10, 15. So I have 3 left over as well to get me to 18. 5's into 38 is 7, because I can get all the way up to 35. I have 3 left over. And finally, 5's into 30 is 6. So my answer for this one is 93.76.